Yo, welcome to this tutorial on the Airwrap. Let's get into it. Spinning in split time, same direction, you'll want to angle your planes like this. Letting a small portion of your tethers collide, your nexus will begin to move towards you. Keep your arms parallel, strong, and steady. From here, your buoy will unwrap into their new flipped planes. You can use this second plane orientation to do another Airwrap. Let your tethers collide and your nexus move outwards. You'll end up with the same planes you started with before the first Airwrap. You can repeat this same motion going inwards and then outwards indefinitely. You can do the same motion, always moving inwards with the Airwrap, by adjusting your planes every time to reset to their initial position. Or always moving outward. And that's it for the basic technique. You can join my Patreon account to see the rest of this tutorial, which covers other forms of Airwraps.